Hello, member of EnjoyingArt learning community. As new technology become available, our EnjoyingArt memberships benefits also get improved and upgrade. I'm going to use this video to communicate with you what new benefits and changes has been happening. First, let's talk about for all members. When I have a new video, I'm going to post it in the Patreon page. Then immediately you will receive an email about the new videos, the new reference, or the new activities that is available for you. Every month there will be live demos to all members to participate. I will post the reference and the activities on Patreon so you can print out the reference and you can prepare to join me. You also can input your suggestions for the future new demonstration with more aligned with your own interests. For the first week and the third week of the month, we're going to have live demos in the morning of Monday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And for the second and the fourth Tuesday evening, 7 p.m., we're going to have live demos. You can pick which time is more convenient for you. All reference images that I use for the video lessons are only available for members, and you can find them inside our patrons community. All the available videos are also going to be in our EnjoyingArt Online Learning Center. They are organized into different libraries. EnjoyingArt Learning Center is the center of our classroom. Discord will be our main communication center. At least twice a week, I will spend the time on Discord to answer your questions. If you have not set up your Patreon account with the Discord, you can follow the link of the instructions to connect your Patreon account with the Discord. And if you have any problem connecting to the Discord, please let me know. Send me a message. I can walk you through in a video chat. Let's talk about the Gold membership. From now on, Gold membership only open to our existing members. If you're a Silver member, you want to upgrade to the Gold member, please communicate with me. I will help you to upgrade to the Gold member level. There are two special benefits only apply to Gold members. The first one is the interactive progress review. A Gold member can request a progress review. You and me going to set up the time. Based on your personal direction and your personal goal, I would give suggestions. Sometimes I do a demonstration to show you some new process or techniques that you're going to learn and practice. Each Gold member can have up to once a month interactive personal review. Based on your personal directions and goals, I will give you my suggestions on what you are going to do next. The second Gold member benefit, end of the year, I will mail an original watercolor painting to your home. You can upload your own references to your personal channel. If I see reference pictures in your personal channel that I would like to paint, I will communicate with you. Use that reference to make a lesson so you can see how I progress from the beginning to the end, painting from your own reference. And if this is the painting that you want to receive, your once a year benefit painting, I will mail that to you by the end of the year. This benefit only applies to members that has been on the Gold member levels for at least 6 months. If you have any questions or suggestions for the membership benefits, please let me know. Let's learning, sharing, and have fun together.